Scientists say that decreasing wind speeds across northern Europe could be due to global warming. According to data compiled by Vortex, an independent weather modelling group, the strength of the wind blowing across the region has fallen by as much as 15% on average in places this year. They say this isn't just a blip and could be the way of the future, thanks to something called global stilling. Less wind has a direct impact on the amount of electricity that can be generated by wind farms. In March this year, the UK experienced its longest spell of low wind output in more than a decade. Paul Williams is Professor of Atmospheric Science at the University of Reading.
We don't know the full answer yet, I think. It's still being explored, but there are various theories. One of them is climate change, and I can sense listeners' eyes rolling. We blame everything on climate change now, don't we? But the winds in Scotland this July were only about half as strong as we would normally expect. The entire year so far has been up to 15% less windy than normal. And it does have consequences, especially for wind power generation. We normally get around 20 to 25% of our electricity from wind, but just a few weeks ago it was only 2.5%. We have to be very careful that we're not left with an energy gap in the future when the wind stops blowing again, as it surely will.